Did you know that the Philippines has the slowest internet speed in the entire Southeast Asian region? Did you know that Filipino jeepney drivers can sense when you are running late for school or work? They will drop by a gas station in the very last minute before you gets off. Did you know that Philippines has its own version of casino? It's called peryahan. Did you know that Filipinos are rich in slang vocabularies? Best examples are lodi, mamshi, petmalu, awit, chibug, and chika. Did you know that Filipinos love rice so much? They even put coffee, Milo, or milk on their rice as their ulam, or dish. Did you know that most Filipinos use dippers or tabo instead of a shower for taking a bath? Did you know that Filipinos are so respectful? They use po and opo in their sentence, and pagmamano is a common practice to show respect to the elders. Did you know that Filipinos can make perfect rice just by using their fingers to measure the water when cooking? Did you know that some Filipinos use hoy or psst to call someone's attention? Did you know that when somebody gives you a compliment, instead of saying thank you, Filipinos will say hindi naman? Did you know that 1 plus 1 is Magellan and 2 plus 2 is Lapu-Lapu?